So here's how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro error unsupported video driver or video card driver. Now, the most common way to fix this problem is to update your graphics card driver by simply opening your graphics card application, for example, like NVIDIA. You need NVIDIA app for NVIDIA. You'll simply open the NVIDIA app and then go to drivers section. Now, under drivers section, you should see if there is any updates available like this one. Then you will simply click on download to start downloading the update, and then click on install to start installing it. Now, once you finish downloading and installing your graphics card drivers, you'll simply need to go to system settings, right click on Windows icon and go to system. And from here, you will need to go to the display. So I'm going to scroll down to or search in the bar for display, and then go to display settings, and then click on graphics. And in here, if you don't see Adobe Premiere Pro in this list, you can simply add a desktop app and then browse to Adobe Premiere Pro, which is usually in program 68, 86, and Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, an easier way to find the location of your Adobe application is to simply right-click on the Adobe Premiere Pro icon and then show more options and then open file location. And then from here, you will need to copy the path and then go back to the settings, add a desktop app, and then paste the path on the top here, press enter, and then select Adobe Premiere Pro application, which is this one. Then press add, and you should see it in here. Now, under GPU preferences, select your GPU on which mode you want to use, whether power saving or high performance. You can also let Windows decide, and then optimization for windowed games should be disabled. And next, then you will simply need to restart your Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you still seeing this error, even though your card is supported and the program is running without any issues, so to disable this error completely from appearing, you'll simply need to go to project settings and then general, or edit preferences and general. And in this window, you should uncheck show system compatibility issues at startup, and then press OK. And then you'll simply need to restart your Adobe Premiere Pro, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.